Alright, so the Zippo truck stopped by once again today and dropped off another black Zippo box. And the label on this one says Zippo Red Flame. Of course, this is made in Bradford, PA, USA. Nothing special about the box. But this one has a nice red flame, and it's a plaque on there. And you can see it also has the Zippo logo. Kind of a matte chrome finish. Maybe it's a satin finish. It's really a nice one. And it was made in, looks like L of 14. Made in the USA, like all Zippos are. Got a great sound. Steel insert. 5 barrels on the hinge. Lights up great. So that is the Red Flame Zippo, and that's going to go in this section over here. I have quite a few Zippos that have flames on them. We'll put it right about here for now. Zippo loves to put flames on things. And that deserves a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.